Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to restart your Huawei Band 9. So all you need to do is simply press on the button on the side of the band until you see this power off menu appearing. So press on it, then this power off menu should appear. From here, you should see this restart option. Tap on it and then tap on it again to confirm the restart. So now just put your band down and wait for it to restart. So as you can see, you've now successfully restarted your band. So now if you had any issues connecting with your phone, then they should be solved. If you had any issues with just swiping through the screen or any other problems, then the restart should have solved all of those issues. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.